Points to note when purchasing PDC core bit. The PDC core bit is often used in important oil wells or surveying projects. Due to the difference in drill bit quality due to different processes and materials or structural performance, selection among a wide variety of PDC core bits also needs to be based on actual use. Can't choose blindly and ignore the matching with the actual use. Let's take a look at some points to pay attention to when purchasing PDC core bit. 1. The size of the drill bit. The weight on bit is generally directly related to the size of the PDC core bit, and the selection of weight on bit also depends on the depth and difficulty of the drilled hole. The weight on bit required for different fields is also different. The larger the PDC core bit is, the higher the drilling weight can be. The higher the drilling speed can be achieved, it is recommended that the user can make a certain assessment of the working environment and site before selecting a suitable drilling weight. 2. Material of the drill bit. The fields used by the PDC core bit are often used in oil fields or coal mines and geological exploration. These fields require the drill to have good hardness and corrosion resistance. After all, the materials it contacts are special and unusual. And, therefore, when selecting the PDC core bit, it is necessary to have a deep understanding of the material of the drill bit. Only drill materials with good performance can be competent for drilling operations in different fields. 3. The process and design of the drill. When selecting the PDC core bit, it is important to pay attention to the process and design of the drill bit. Due to the different properties of the geological layer being drilled, the scraping performance of the PDC core bit will also be required, so it is necessary to select the drill bit. Effective selection of process and design can only make the drill bit more easily complete the drilling work during use, and avoid various failures in use and improve drilling efficiency. Pay attention to the above factors when purchasing PDC core bit. Note that these related elements are also used to complete different processing operations with high quality. Therefore, it is necessary to understand which PDC core bit is cost-effective and purchased by reliable manufacturers. The conditions and requirements tell the manufacturer to give better configuration to ensure a better quality during the drilling process and avoid quality problems. Can be extended. Normal use time.